Okay, so in this video, I want to give you a quick overview of the structure of a self-managing team. And why a self-managing team? It's simple because a self-managing team gives you the freedom and the independence as an agency owner to, first of all, lead your business from everywhere in the world, even from such beautiful places, but more importantly, to enjoy the freedom and success from your business that you really want, instead of just being bound to your laptop all day and nothing works without you. So what are the three components of a self-managing team? So the first role that you need is a person that is called a customer success manager. And that's the person leading your clients, managing your clients, setting expectations, and also presenting results. And that is an important component because you might find yourself always responding to emails, to phone calls, to chat messages, even if you are on vacation or during the weekend when your clients want something from you. So having a person that is the first contact is the customer success manager. And that is typically a good communicator, a person who can lead people, who can present results, and who can gather feedback. Then the second role that is very important, especially if you have a small team, is a so-called process owner. And the process owner is a person who leads the team. And that means that your team works according to a well-defined and well-specified process that ensures that every expert in the team collaborates properly, is accountable on the specific results every expert needs to deliver, and that progress is provided with high transparency for you and for other people in the team. And why is that important? You might know the situation when you return from vacations or after the weekend and you see there's a huge escalation because the client is unsatisfied and your team is overwhelmed and you are wondering, why the hell am I seeing this now? Why has nobody told me that the project isn't on track? And the reason for that is because nobody has transparency. If everyone is just focusing on doing some work and getting their individual work done, then the big picture is missing and you cannot track progress and the timeline and the quality of each deliverable if there is no well-defined process, right? If there is no process, then management isn't possible and you will only see if something goes wrong when your client complains, and that's the worst case. And if you have this process in place, you want to delegate the execution of this process to one person in your team, and that's the process owner. That's the person leading your team according to the defined process. And the third role is not a single role, but it's an expert role for everyone else in your team. So these are the experts doing the work. That's like channel managers if you provide marketing services. These are creative designers. These are software developers. These are project managers, right? These are all people who actually do the work, who provide the value for your client, while the customer success manager and the process owner are management roles. Okay, so if you embed your team of experts into a well-defined process with clearly defined roles and with a customer success manager handling your clients, you have a self-managing team that can run the business independently from you, provide high-quality services without you being involved on day, and that allows you to enjoy beautiful places like these, to have your weekends free, don't work in the evening, enjoy dinner with your family, and go on vacations without having your laptop with you. So if you want to see more details about the self-managing team, then below this video, I've put a link into that and you will see how a self-managing team embeds into an entire self-managing business blueprint, because there are other components to ensure that your business can grow independently from you and generate the profits and the growth you want. Cheers.